Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. P. Samuel, Assistant Professor of Biotechnology, Bishop Eber College, Trichy. In this video tutorial, we will be going to discuss about another important and crucial topic in chemistry called molarity. Let us move on to the presentation. To understand molarity, first we should know the definition, right? What is actually molarity is? Molarity is a unit of concentration that is defined as the number of moles of solute per liter of solution, per liter of solution, right? Here you have to remember molarity is a unit of concentration. First thing you have to write it down in your notebook. Second thing, you should remember it is defined as the number of moles of solute per liter of solution, right? It is defined as the number of moles of solute per liter of solution, right? We know what is solution is. Remember, molarity is represented by the symbol M, capital M, right? Whereas normality is represented as capital letter N. Remember these notations. Actually, these abbreviations or notations can be used by yourself during the examination, right? Remember. So, as we discussed in the concept called normality, usually in the laboratory or in the practical classes, we will be asked to prepare the chemical solutions based on the requirements of the experiment. You may be asked to prepare the solution in terms of normality, right? Normality or molarity. So, I have given these two things. This is the solvent, right, and this is the solute, right. So, molarity is expressed as the moles of solute per liter of solution, moles of solute per liter of solution. Solution can be obtained by blending these two things, I mean by blending sulfuric acid and water, right. This will produce or this will give the solution, this will give the solution, right. Okay. To calculate the molarity, you need to know the following things, right. As you may be a biologist or maybe a chemistry student, you should understand these two basic things before attempting to understand what actually the molarity is, right. So, it says number of moles of solute in a solution. Second thing, the volume of solution in liters. Number of moles of solute in solution. The solute may be NaCl, right, or the solute may be H2SO4 or sodium bicarbonate, whatever it is, right. But we should know these things. What is number of moles of solute and what would be the volume of solution in liters. Okay, right. The number of moles of solute can be calculated using the following formula. Here comes the important point. Take your notebook and pencil and note down the formula, right. It is very essential. Moles of a solute can be calculated as mass of the solute divided by molar mass of solute. Mass of solute by molar mass of a solute will give you moles of the solute, right. The molar mass of a substance is the mass of 1 mole of that substance, right. So, this can be referred from a textbook or from a periodic table, right. In the same way, the volume of a solution can be measured using a volumetric flask or with the help of a graduated cylinder. For example, let me give you an example how to calculate the molar mass of sodium bicarbonate, right. What is the formula? Yes, you are right. Let me write the formula of sodium bicarbonate. It is Na2CO3. Na2CO3. So, this is the formula of sodium bicarbonate. And just I want to know what are all the atoms present in the molecule. What are all the atoms constitute the molecule, right? First one is sodium, second one is carbon, third one is oxygen. So, these three atoms forms the molecule sodium bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, right. Now, we are going to add the atomic weight of these things, right. So, the molecular weight of sodium is 23, the molecular weight of carbon is 12, the same way the molecular weight of oxygen is 16, right. Now, there are 2 sodium atoms, multiply the weight by 2, 1 carbon atom multiply by 1, 3 oxygen atom. So, the answer is, let me write it here, 46, right. 12 plus 48 gives 106 grams per mole, grams per mole. So, this is the molar mass of sodium bicarbonate, and in this way you can calculate the molar mass of any substance you will be asked by the instructor in your laboratory, right. Remember. So, to know the molecular weight, kindly refer to your textbook, chemistry book or modern periodic table, right. And similarly, volume of the solution, you can use any graduated measuring jar or volumetric flask like that, right. Once you know the number of moles of solute and the volume of solution, you can calculate the molarity. So, to understand or to calculate molarity, these two things are required. First thing is, we should calculate the number of moles of solute and volume of the solution. After deriving these two things, we can easily calculate the molarity. So, here comes the important formula. Molarity can be calculated as number of moles of solute per volume of solution, volume of solution. Here is a simple question given to you, right. If you have 10 grams of sodium chloride dissolved in 1 liter of water, then molarity of the solution would be calculated as follows, right. 10 grams of sodium chloride by, I told you how to calculate the molar mass of sodium bicarbonate. In the same way, you can calculate the molar mass of sodium chloride by simply adding the molecular weight of sodium plus chloride. It gives you 58.44 grams by 1 liter of solution, 1 liter of solution, right. The outcome would be 0.17 molar sodium chloride. So, if a solution contains 10 grams of sodium chloride, then the molarity of the solution is 0.17. 0.17. Then what is the application of molarity? Where it can be used by the people? So, this can be used by the people to prepare solution for chemical reaction. These are very important points. Note down in your notebook. To prepare the solution for chemical reaction, to calculate the amount of reactant or product that is needed in a chemical reaction, and the third one, to analyze the concentration of the substance in a solution. These three things are the major applications of molarity, right? Thank you for listening to the video lecture. Please post your queries in the comment section. Stay tuned with me. Bye bye.